In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a list of bullet points into a visually appealing SmartArt graphic using Microsoft PowerPoint. This is a fantastic way to enhance your presentations, making them more engaging and professional. So let's dive in and see how you can easily transform simple text into something visually captivating. First, you'll want to start by opening your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation file. If you haven't already, locate your file and open it up. This will allow you to make the necessary edits to your slides. Once you've got your presentation open, the next step is to create a list of bullet points that you'd like to convert. You can do this by going to the Paragraph section under the Home tab on the PowerPoint ribbon. Look for the icon that depicts 3 dots accompanied by lines, which signifies the bullet point feature. Clicking on it will enable you to start your list. Imagine you have 3 bullet points for this exercise. Your slide should now have the text organized under bullet point formatting, such as Bullet 1, Bullet 2, and Bullet 3. After you have created your bullet points, it's time to highlight them. Click and drag your cursor from Bullet 1 to Bullet 3, ensuring that all the bullet points you want to include in the SmartArt graphic are selected. Next, position your cursor over the highlighted text and right-click. This action will open a context menu where you'll find a variety of options. From this menu, look for and select Convert to SmartArt. This is the key feature that lets you turn your list into a visually striking graphic. Once you click Convert to SmartArt, a range of SmartArt styles will be presented to you. You'll see a wide array of options, each offering a different style of graphic for conveying your information. Take a moment to explore these various designs and choose one that best suits the aesthetic of your presentation. By selecting one of these styles, PowerPoint will automatically generate a SmartArt graphic from your current bullet points, creating an attractive visual without altering the content. This is not only a great way to liven up a dull slide, but also aids in better communication of your key ideas through visual representation. And just like that, you're done with the conversion process. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and can now confidently add flair to your presentations with SmartArt. Remember, selecting the right graphic style can greatly enhance the clarity and impact of your message, making your presentations more dynamic and engaging. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore the endless possibilities SmartArt offers to make your presentations stand out.